Meaning of irradiation.
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 Irradiation. The term irradiation typically refers to the process of exposing something to radiation. Radiation can come in various forms, such as electromagnetic radiation, like X-rays or ultraviolet light, or particle radiation, like alpha or beta particles. The purpose of irradiation depends on the context in which it is used. For instance, in medicine, irradiation is sometimes used to treat cancer by targeting and destroying tumor cells. In food safety, irradiation is sometimes used to kill bacteria and other pathogens in food products. Overall, irradiation involves using radiation to achieve a desired outcome, whether that be medical treatment, food safety, or some other purpose.